monoprotic, diprotic, triprotic acids. So you got monoprotic, diprotic, usually it's so the question is what are these acids? Okay, so the thing is that when you have a monoprotic acid, it just donates one H plus one ions, right? So you got HCl, it's going to produce H plus one, and it's going to produce Cl minus one, right? So just one donates one H plus one ion, right? A diprotic acid would donate two. It's going to donate two H plus one ions. Similarly, you got triprotic acids. Now triprotic acid would donate three H plus one ions, right? So is that clear? What's a diprotic, monoprotic, triprotic acid? Was that clear?
Yep, it's clear. Yep.
Now the point I'm trying to make about at least diprotic and triprotic acid is, don't think of them as one acid. Or don't think of them as a single dissociation. So for example, if you've got sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid is something that looks like this. It's I think it's, and it's got an OH and it's got another OH, right? So sulfuric acid will not lose the two H plus one ions together. I mean, it's got two H plus one ions, right? It's not going to do them in a single step. It's not going to happen in just one go. What will happen is that sulfuric acid would first, so it's going to first lose one H plus one ion. So you'll be left with HSO4 minus one. And then that HSO4 minus one that would lose another one and it will become SO4 minus 2, okay? So you clear like dissociations, they don't happen in one go for diprotic, triprotic acids. They're the multiple steps involved, right? Is that clear?
Yep, it's clear.